Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add double underline text in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, open your Excel document. Firstly, then issue the this text is the add double underline. Firstly, then you can see is going to the select the any text and going to the underline option. Now more option, now click for the double underline option. That's okay. Then show the add the double underline is the text. Then again another option, this the select the another text and going to the double underline icon. Now click for the double underline option. That's okay. Then show the double underline text in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.